If you are afraid to take risk, then trading is for you because you will follow the rules and you won't take adventurous trades. Whenever you trade your time for anything, then you are a salaried class. Financial freedom is when you trade your time for love, your passions, feelings, and enjoyments. If you trade your time for money, then that is salaried, or you can say you are a slave. Active trading is still a form of exchanging your time with money. It is okay to fail. It is okay to say no. It is okay to start at the old age, as long as you are learning from your mistakes and improving your strategies. I don't know why everyone thinks that investing is a very complicated thing. If you use different instruments, then it might be complicated, but it can be very simple if you just buy the index ETFs on a SIP mode. It is the best way to invest in stock market. In stock market, two things are very common. First, we don't remember our bad trades, the decision taken by ourselves, and second, we remember the bad advice given by others. Keep a track record of all your trades. They will tell you the truth. Failures don't lead you to success. It is the ability to learn from your mistakes that makes you successful. That is very true for trading and investments. Learn to measure the growth of your net worth. That is the best motivator. Putting a stop loss is a good thing in stock market, but trying to understand the reason for your profit and loss is the best thing. Success in stock market is when you earn from the stock market and you don't have to give time to it. If you respect money, then you will know how to handle the money in a very different way. Liquidity of an asset is a very important factor while deciding to invest in that asset class. If any money transaction makes you think, then chances are you cannot afford it. While investing in stock market, you should have three kinds of portfolio. First portfolio should be survival portfolio. That is mostly the cash available that if you don't have any source of income, then also you can survive. Second portfolio should be the growth portfolio, which should be invested in stock market and various asset classes so that during the time of retirement, whatever age you decide, you have a huge sum of funds. Third is a monthly income portfolio that should fund all your daily needs or your passion needs or the things that you want to buy. They should be funded by that monthly income portfolio. These three portfolios should be there when you are investing in stock market. I don't listen to any financial or business news channels. With financial freedom, you get the best precious asset in your life, and that is time. In stock market, if you use the strategy made by others, there are very little chances that you can change it. Create your own game and make your own rules. You will surely survive and you will make a lot of wealth out of that strategy. There's a huge difference between having money and being wealthy. If stock market is not giving you enough opportunities to invest, it is the best time to restructure your portfolio and sit on cash for some time. If the losses in the stock market are not affecting you, that doesn't mean that you are on the right track. In stock market, most of the investors are the forced investors who were earlier traders. Insurance is not an investment, it is just an hedge. In trading, calculating the risk is not the same as understanding the risk. In stock market, the superpower is time, not timing the market. Avoid overtrading, whether in profit or loss. Never compound your losses by adding more quantity to a losing trade. Every trader is genius in the bull market. Skills and luck are two different things. Trading is an overrated thing. Passive income through dividend is an underrated thing. In stock market, you need three things. Funds, that is the capital. judgment, that is the analysis, and luck. In stock market, you are responsible for your own losses. If you think external factors like any news or event has impacted your trade, then there are very little chances that you will improve. Before investing in stock market, you need to understand money and its calculations. Time is money. All option writers will understand this thing. If you have started trading during the pandemic, then think twice before taking trading as a full-time profession. Always trade with no emotions. In stock market, always try to change your opinion when a new information, I mean the correct information, is given to you. Don't be stubborn with any of your strategies. Traders should be well informed and should have a good knowledge about the VIX, the volatility index, before trading. Never promote or tell the stocks which you have bought for long term, because people look at the price, not the fundamentals on which you have bought it. Making profit with real money is much harder than making profits in backtesting or in paper trades. The simplest and the best investment strategy is to buy the index ETFs in SIP mode. Being trader doesn't mean that you should always do trading and taking the risk. Even 2 to 4 trades or 6 trades per month are good enough to be a good trader. Demo accounts will never teach you how to handle the mental pressure when the real losses with the real money are taking place. In stock market, if one strategy works for someone, that doesn't mean it will work for you also, because trading is a psychological game and everyone has a different risk appetite. In stock market, most people don't understand what is foolishness, what is being daring, and what is risk. These are all three different things. Same stock will react differently to the same type of news at different point of time. When you are young, then you have three things on your side. First is hard work, second is luck, and third is risk. And all are related to time because you have time.